Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is like a odd beginning or an intro, but for today's video, we are doing like a secret Santa video where my friends, Parth and Lamya and I, were giving each other gifts. Although we already know we are giving each other gifts, it's more like a gift giving thing, but it's better when it sounds like we're saying secret Santa. So I'm on my way there. I'm extremely late. We're supposed to meet at 3:30. It's 3 and we're not surprised that I'm late. I'm super excited. The gifts are here. They're not very well packed because it's me. But I think the gifts are cute and funny. So when I meet them, I'll introduce you guys.
Are we there? Yeah, we are there. Maggie is not there.
I can't tell her come here because she'll fall off.
But will they be able to hear?
Yeah.
They will.
Hi, this is...
Parth, I'm Parth. Hello.
I'm Lamya. I forgot my name.
And we're giving our gifts.
Let's do Chuta.
Best friends.
With the sign.
Yes, thank you.
Santa's in a berry.
Santa. Fix it. So your gift.
Oh, we get back. No.
So we're first giving...
Okay. No, the part of the device, no first. But my gift is same to both. Yeah.
Flashback.
Hi guys, my name is Lamya and I am going to tell you all what I'm going to give Parth and Paki as a secret Santa gift. So I don't want to go and get something ready-made for them. I wanted my gift to have like a little personal touch. So that's what I'm going to do. Have you all seen these t-shirts? They're all over the internet. They're very viral. So I thought, that's a good idea. Let's do something like that. So I'm going to now sit and customize the design, the print, everything myself with my pictures on them. And that's going to be my gift to Parth and Paki. And I think it'll be fun. It'll be cute. It'll be creative. Something that'll make them laugh. So yeah, let's go edit. Okay guys, so I'm finally done editing my graphic. This is the final image that I have designed and I'm kind of proud of it. It's kind of cutesy. It's a lot of pink because pink is my color. So yeah, that is my design for now. Now I'm going to send it over to the guy to get it printed on a t-shirt and I cannot wait for how it'll turn out. I think it's going to be super cute. I think they're going to love it. I hope you all like it and I can't wait to see what they have planned as Secret Santa gifts. I'm so excited. But see y'all. Bye.
End of flashback.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
No.
I should have known when she put out the reel of like her
Exactly.
designing outfit that she's going to do something like this.
Same. Those Muklam shows better pictures.
My way or the highway.
There's only one day where we can wear this t-shirt. It's your birthday. Ghanta.
Like a small poster.
That's nice.
Handmade.
My love for you really is the most.
Very cute. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. This is nice. This is cute. Very thoughtful. This is embarrassing.
I lost your t-shirt. The first one is
No, it's the most easiest thing.
Flashback.
Hi guys, it's me. It's currently the 26th. We're meeting on the 28th. Now the thing is, Lamya kept sending us reminder like on the 12th and the 20th. I fully ignored it. I didn't take it too seriously and now it's too late. Now, when we were told कि हमें gifts लाना है, I immediately knew what I wanted or like the category that I wanted to, especially funny gifts. I was like, एक funny gift and one like good gift. So for Parth, I was thinking since he started going to the gym and stuff, no, I'm gonna search for something that is good, like a bottle and jewelry or like a lip balm or some like essentials that he'll need. That I'm probably gonna get him. And for the funny gift, so if you've seen him, he was on MTV Dark Scroll, killed it, amazing. And so for that, he won a certain amount. And I was like, you know what? I can't give him that money, but I can make it in a certificate like reward form, and I can give it to him saying, thanking him for being a good friend and always having my back. So I'm gonna probably make that on Canva or something and give that to him. So this is Parth's gift.
In a flashback.
Again.
You want to open the funny gift first? Is it recording?
Yeah, this is recording. This is funny. Dark store.
A little bit dark on him.
Ah, nice. For being such a good friend and always having a
But see the amount that
yeah, I got it. This is very cute, very cute. This is going in memory drawer.
now you have been into the gym and stuff, right? So I was like, or maybe when you go for a meeting and stuff, it'll be really good. Why am I opening it for you? You go.
Wow.
And Julie, since you went on you need to let them see it yourself. You don't have to tell them.
Again, I like this. ये क्या है? Straw है? अरे यार. Oh wow. Wow. Very nice. Thank you so much. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Next, we move on to
Ain't fuck me, you fuck the old.
Flashback.
For Lamya, I think Lamya ke liye it's like relatively very easy to shop because she loves pink and Barbie. So I will find something on Amazon and give her that, and hopefully she'll like it because she has no choice but to like it. Same with Parth, actually, they have to like what I give. And for the funny idea for Lamya, I was thinking I'll make her a certificate. We keep saying, like, Parth and I, or generally all our friends, keep calling her a red flag. She isn't. She kind of is. She isn't, seriously though. She's not a red flag. But we like joke around saying that, oh, she's such a red flag. So I was like, I'll give her a certificate calling her the biggest red flag, and I'll do something funny with it. Like, I'm thinking, I don't know, whatever design I come up with, I'll put it up here and you guys will see them getting it. I hope they like the gift. I did my best, and yeah.
we'll start with the funny gift.
But I have a funny gift. So cute. I really tried it. It's pink.
We have
Which I'm not a red flag, guys.
you're the victim. I'm the head of the flag community.
This is not true. I am not a red flag.
Okay. You love pink. Sorry.
So excited because things are pink.
Thank you.
I laugh so much.
I think we understood her assignment.
Yeah.
20 hours later.
A few moments later.
So good. Amazing song.
Mini bag.
Just compared with a fake.
Telepathy vibes.
Really? It's very easy to find a gift for me. This is so cute. I love
Like a
this.
little cheese. I thought it was Lego. When I heard that you broke your sling bag, I thought it would be like
Yeah, these guys broke my chain. This is so cute. I love this. No, I'm a strong independent.
She did not go for the knife. She did not go for the knife.
Yes, I'm dumb that way. I'm a dumb, strong, independent woman. This is a dhakkan.
I got it because she's Dakkan.
This is
with a
so
peach, because I'm a
cute. Because? Because what?
pink peach.
I can get up and show, but no.
No, I don't want to get demonetized.
I love it.
Yeah.
Do I need to explain or should I just go for it?
You can explain.
No, I'm explaining in the video I've already recorded.
Oh, then you don't need to.
I mean, I'm not explaining much, but yeah.
Explain.
No. Who should I give first? I think because one of our gifts is very similar to our reverse.
Ain't fuck me, you fuck the old.
Flashback.
Okay, hi. So I'm actually shooting this right now because I did not get the time to shoot this earlier. मैंने सोच रखा था काफी पहले से कि मेरे को क्या गिफ्ट देने हैं, and I just got them together yesterday and I'm recording it now when I'm actually coming to meet you all because we decided that we will vlog it, but I did not, so this is just my way of doing it. So first things first, which gift? So okay, we'll do Lamya first. Lamya ke liye I got this very cute looking aesthetic pink camera, and then to even match the whole Lamya vibe, I got like Barbie stuff, and I don't know what these are called. I think kuch to phone se related hai. But yeah, so I got these so that this camera matches her aesthetic. Yes, you can click photos with this. Yes, it is very low quality. And one thing that I realized, Lamya, that I'm very sorry is that I did not get you a memory card, so that you have to figure out how to get it.
End of flashback.
So this is my gift to Lamya. So this is my small little cute gift to Lamya, and you open it.
It's green. See, I'm not a red flag.
I am here. Something very cute is in it.
Your face. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Victim.
He said. I always kept saying, you know, how I want a pink camera.
So this is where we are similar.
Is the same?
Just different colors.
That's so.
Seen this on Amazon, it's in my wish list. I love it so much.
It is very easy to give. Oh, sorry. Very easy to give her something. It should be pink, and then it should be something that she can use. She mostly records stuff, so this is the camera and photo. But it's about low quality photos. But that's the vibe.
Low quality photos, high quality people.
They fuck me, you fuck the O.
खत्म करो अपना.
Flashback.
This is for Paki, of course. So we all know that how Paki started her new YouTube channel, and how initially that she might have doubted herself, and how now she's like very consistent and very nicely posting with, be it her Instagram content, be it her YouTube content. So I just thought that something that will always keep her motivated is YouTube play button. But of course, this is a one that I designed and just framed, and it is only for 1500 subscribers yet. So I just wanted her to be motivated throughout. So this is for her, and it has a cute message also यहाँ पे, जिस पे लिखा है, so proud of you, never give up, 1k to 1 million, very soon you got this, no matter where I am, I'm always gonna like, share and comment. So yes, these are my gifts, and I hope you really like them, and just thank you so much for being in my life, and I have had a lot of fun getting these gifts for y'all. And I'll see you soon, maybe now. Okay, bye. Also, while I was shopping for you guys, I actually got myself nice Spider-Man socks. Okay, that's just. Okay, bye.
End of flashback.
Okay, so this is something that I really thought about the initial moment that we decided to give the gift, and I really hope you like it.
I know I will. I love the confidence fellow. You know what? Well done, by the way.
I think you really deserve this. I think you really deserve this. And you will take some time to get the actual one. So I just made you one.
Oh! Oh! Really? That's very hot for you. It's like YouTube. Yeah. So cute! That's so cute! It's very hot for you. It's so hot. Wow. I'm gonna give you a hug. Thank you, God. This is so sweet. I got my cheeks are hurting. This is so cute. I love it. I love us.